Welcome to my channel. Let's learn something new today. Can you tell me what words you use for yourself? Good job! The words that you use for yourself are I, my, mine, me, myself. What words you use for boy or guy? Well done! The words are he, him, his, himself. Now tell me, what words you use for girl or woman? Wow, amazing! The words are she, her, herself. What words you use for animals or things? Fantastic! The words you use for things or animals like car, chair, cat, pencil, table, dog are it, its, itself. Now tell me, what word you use for many people? You do such a great job. The words are they, them, their, themselves, and theirs. You did it. Keep learning with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.